Grab your ingredients and let's get drunk with some mussels today. Hey guys, welcome to Tianna Blancoo channel, and today I want to say grab your mussels and some crab legs if you eat crab legs, and let's get this party started. So we're gonna clean these mussels first. I like to take baking soda and cold water, and this is gonna, you want to soak this for about 20 minutes. This will help the mussels open up and release any dirt or griddle, sand that's possibly inside of it, because if you don't do this step, it can be very salty and grainy and like ugh. So you want to soak it for 20 minutes. So while those are soaking for 20 minutes, I'm gonna finely chop up one whole garlic clove. Now you can use two, you can use half, you can use none. It's all on your preference. However, I'm taking one whole garlic clove along with half of an onion. I know you guys are gonna bomb me and be like, that is not even half of an onion that you just cut up. But I did go ahead and chop up some more of that onion. Listen, I wasn't really good at math, but I know that much math, that shit ain't half of an onion. But yes, I did go ahead and add some more. Now, going back to rinse off these babies. As you can see, you want to go through each mussel very carefully because some may be broken, which means they are dead, so you kind of want to discard those. And then you have some that have like a beard on the side of it, that's what they call it, and you just want to slightly tug on it and pull it on out. So you're going to take your thumb and your index finger and just kind of wiggle it on out. It's not hard at all. It kind of look like, I don't know, like seaweed or like some type of grass type of plant, I don't know. But they say that mussels like to attach themselves onto certain surfaces. That's why it causes that. Now, if you tap an open mussel, give it a few taps, some may slowly close in front of your eyes. It just may slowly begin to close. And some may just be open. And the ones that are open, I like to discard them, because that means they are dead, and we like our mussels to be alive if we purchase them and if we eat them. So I just discard any mussels that are open. Now let's sizzle on up some butter. I took a slab of butter, a scoop of butter, and I have it on medium to high heat, and I'm going to let that melt and simmer on up. Maybe about 2 minutes. Now we want to saute our onions and our garlic. Y'all, the smell smells so awesome. I'm just hoping that you guys kind of get that smell that I'm trying to tell you about. But if you don't worry. We're gonna soak these and saute these for about 3 minutes. I'm gonna say 3 to 4 minutes, and I still have that pan on medium to high heat. Now for the drunken part, you can use beer, you can use liquor, you can use wine, and in this case I am using wine. I'm not sure if this was the white Zinfandel or Moscato, but I'm using white wine. And what that white wine does is that it stops the garlic and the onions from cooking. So right now it's just gonna have it to be more flavorful than anything. And I like to squeeze half of a lemon inside of that. If you don't have a lemon, use some lemon juice, or you don't have to, it's optional. Now we're gonna go ahead and dunk our mussels in this sauce that we got going on. And this is why they call it drunken mussels, because like I said, you can use beer, liquor, whatever you want to use. This is so easy, guys. Like, this is nothing to it, and however it just looks like a fancy ass meal. And I paid $5 for these mussels. Actually, it was $4.39 to be exact. And I reduced that heat because mussels just quickly, any seafood, it just takes a few minutes for seafood to cook. So you want to put it on a low heat, and I added some parsley, and as you can see, within 2 minutes the mussels will start to open up and that steam will get into it, and it is ready to be eaten on up, honey. The smell of it just smells so good. And I'm just gonna cover it for about 5 minutes because I needed my corn and my crab legs to cook, and I'm just steaming those in a pot of water and beer as well. And boom, dinner is prepared. So if you guys are gonna make you some drunken mussels for your bae, for your friends, or just for yourself, let me know how it ended up coming out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. I know you watching Moana. Everything is Moana.